大家好，我是英英老师。Welcome to Learn Chinese with the 英英。This is the text of the 17th lesson of the series Learn Chinese Characters with Pictures and Stories. If you haven't watched the lesson, you can find the links in the description box. If you have watched the lesson already, it's time to check your learning. Please match the word with its meaning. If you are done, let's check the answer together. So the first word is lay. Lay. It means tear. The next word is 浊. 浊. It means dirty. And this word is 汁. 汁. It means juice. And this word is 鱼. 鱼. It means fishing. And the last word is 淡. 淡. It means plain. So how's it going? Please leave it in the comments below. And if you are ready to challenge yourself even more, let's do the next one. Can you write the Chinese characters according to the pronunciation and the picture? You can pause here while you are writing it. So if you are done, let's check the answer. So the first one is lay. Lay. It means tears. The second one is 汁. 汁. It means juice. The third one is 浊. 浊. It means dirty. So can you write these two? So the first one is 鱼. 鱼. It means fishing. And the second one is 淡. 淡. It means plain. So if there's anything you want to learn or if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for being here when you can be anywhere in the world. You should really feel proud of yourself for your commitment in learning and growing. The simple fact you click this video and stick to the end is a true manifest of your growing mindset. I really hope this video was helpful to you. I'd love to know your feedback. Please drop them in the comments below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. By the way, I'll upload video resources weekly. Please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. 谢谢观看，我们下次再见。